Good morning, learners. In previous video lecture, we have talked two results. First result is if f(x) be a non-constant polynomial, then a is a multiple root of f(x) in an splitting field L of f(x), if and only if a is a common root of f(x) and f dash. And in second result, we have observed that if L be a field extension of A and f(x) and gx between two polynomials over K, then f(x) and gx are co-prime in Kx if and only if they are co-prime in Lx. We now use these two results will be used in the next result. So we now come to the result. Let f(x) be any polynomial over field K. This is a non-constant polynomial. Suppose L is a splitting field of f(x). Then our aim is to prove that all roots of f(x) in L are distinct if and only if f(x) and f dash x are co-prime in Kx. So first we suppose that L be a splitting field of f(x) and suppose that all the roots of f(x) in L are distinct. Now let L dash be the splitting field of f dash x. Here is replace capital X by small x. So our aim is to prove that f(x) and f dash x are co-prime in Kx, means they have no common factors. So for this purpose, suppose that they have suppose if possible that f(x) and f dash have a common root a in L dash. Because L is a splitting field of f(x), therefore all the roots of f(x) belonging to L, and so a belongs to L. Okay, a belongs to L. Now from this we have observed that a is a common root of f(x) and f dash x. So as we have recalled, since a is a common root of f(x) and f dash x, therefore a will be a multiple root of f(x). This is a contradiction because we have assumed that f(x) has all the roots of f(x) are distinct, means f(x) has no multiple root. So it means f(x) and f dash x have no common root in L dash, and so no common factor in L dash. It means f(x) and f dash x will be co-prime in L dash x, and so by proposition 1.7.5, f(x) and f dash x are co-prime in Kx. Now conversely, suppose that f(x) and f dash x are co-prime in Kx. Our aim is to prove that f(x) all the roots of f(x) are distinct. So for this purpose, suppose if possible that a is a multiple root of f(x), then f(x) can be expressed as x minus a whole square gx, because multiplicity of a is greater than or equal to 2. So here we just write x minus a whole square, and other powers are included in gx. So a is a multiple root, therefore f(x) can be written as this. Now differentiating this with respect to x, then we have this result. F dash x will be this. It means observe that from f(x) and f dash x, we have observed that x minus a and x minus a is common in f(x) and f dash x. It means f(x) and f dash x have a common factor and so have a common root. No, x minus a is a common factor of f(x) and f dash x. It means they are not co-prime in Lx because they have a common factor. Now they are not co-prime in Lx. It means they will not be co-prime in Kx by previous corollary. This is a contradiction because we have assumed that f(x) and f dash x are co-prime in Kx. It means our result is true, that is all the roots of f(x) are distinct in L. Okay. Next, we use 1.7.6 to prove this corollary. These are interrelated too much. So remember these results. Let fx be an irreducible polynomial in Kx. Then our aim is to prove that fx is separable if and only if fx does not divide f dash. Means by proving this we are going to prove the relationship between the formal derivative and separability. So let fx be an irreducible polynomial in Kx. Our aim is to prove that fx is separable if and only if fx does not divide f dash x. Suppose that fx is separable. By definition of separability, since fx is irreducible, so you know that an irreducible polynomial is separable if all the roots of that polynomial are distinct. Since fx is irreducible and is separable, therefore by definition of separability, all the roots of fx are distinct. So remember the definition of separability of irreducible polynomial. Now, since all the roots of fx are distinct, so by previous corollary, it says that fx is separable. So we now just use fx is separable if and only if fx and f dash x are co-prime in this. So this because fx is separable if and only all roots of fx are distinct, and we have observed that all roots are distinct if and only if they are co-prime in this. So combine these two statements, it means we have fx is separable if and only if fx and f dash x are co-prime. Now they are co-prime, it means their GCD is a unit because they are co-prime. Now since note, remember that fx is irreducible, therefore greatest common divisor of this and this is either a unit or f dash or fx, but fx is irreducible, and here we have observed that they are co-prime. Fx and f dash x are co-prime. It means only possibility is GCD of fx and f dash x is unit. Okay, so it means fx does not divide f dash x. Thus, this is equivalent to f is separable if and only if fx does not divide f dash x. Okay. Now again to prove this result, next result we use this result. An irreducible polynomial fx in Kx is separable if and only if its derivative is non-zero. So to prove this, suppose that fx is an irreducible polynomial. Now since fx is separable, therefore fx does not divide f dash x by previous result. Okay. Now suppose if possible that f dash x is equal to 0. It means fx will be a constant polynomial. But we have assumed that fx is an irreducible polynomial. So this is a contradiction. It means the possibility f dash x is equal to 0 is not true. That is f dash x is not equal to 0. So here we should write hence f dash x is not equal to 0. So put hence f dash x is not equal to 0. Okay, put here. Now conversely, suppose that f dash x is not equal to 0. Then degree of f dash x will be less than fx. And so by property of polynomial, fx cannot divide f dash x. It means by previous result, if fx does not divide f dash x, then the polynomial will be separable. So our polynomial fx is separable. It means fx is separable if and only if derivative of fx is non-zero. So if you wish to check the polynomial is separable or not, suppose that fx is an irreducible polynomial, you have to check fx is separable or not. So you just differentiate it and observe that its derivative 0. If its derivative is non-zero, then that irreducible polynomial will be separable. So this is very important result to check that polynomial is separable or not. So this question may be asked in net get examination for objective type purposes. Now, so we use this to give this result. Every field of if a field k is of characteristic 0, remember the definition of characteristic. If k is a field of characteristic 0, then every polynomial over k is separable. How can we prove it? Suppose that k be a field of characteristic 0. Now, let fx be a non-constant polynomial. Then f dash x, since fx is non-constant polynomial, therefore by the property of derivative, f dash x never be 0. So by this result, if f dash x is not equal to 0, then this polynomial is separable. It means our polynomial k is separable. It means every polynomial over k is separable. Now we introduce the notion of perfect field. A field k. So we use this so first we give the definition of perfect field and then discuss one burning result. Field k is a perfect field if every algebraic extension of k is separable. So before giving examples, we just discussed some results. These results provide several examples to learners. So let k be a field of characteristic 0. Our aim is to prove that every algebraic extension L of k is separable. Means every field of characteristic 0 is a perfect field. So one example is you may take a field of characteristic 0 like Q, R, C, etc. These fields are perfect field. So to prove this, suppose that L is an algebraic extension of K. Let A be any element of L and Px be its minimal polynomial. Then our aim is to prove that by definition of to prove K is perfect, we have to prove that every algebraic extension is separable. Means every element of L is separable. So to prove this, it is sufficient to prove that every irreducible polynomial is separable. So let Px be the minimal polynomial of A, and since minimal polynomial is irreducible, therefore Px is non-constant and its derivative will not be 0. And by previous corollary, if derivative is non-zero, then the polynomial is separable. So since p dash x is non-zero, therefore polynomial px is separable. So by definition of separable element, since minimal polynomial of A is separable, therefore the element A is separable. But remember that A is an arbitrary element. It means every element of L is separable. It means the extension L is separable. Thus, every algebraic extension of L of K is separable. Now, use the definition. Since if every algebraic extension of K is separable, then we call it a perfect field. Here we have observed that every algebraic extension of K is separable. It means the field K is a perfect field. That is, every field of characteristic 0 is a perfect field. So we will meet in next lecture. Thank you. I hope that you will like this. Namaskar.